Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin C capsules effectively. First, understand that vitamin C is a vital nutrient, crucial for many bodily functions. Capsules provide a simple way to ensure you get a consistent dose daily. They are known for boosting your immune system and aiding in collagen synthesis, which is great for skin and tissue health. Let's dive into the best practices for incorporating them into your routine. Determining the right dosage is key. Most adults find 500 milligrams to 1,000 milligrams daily to be effective for general health. If you're taking a higher dose, consider splitting it into 2 or 3 smaller doses throughout the day for better absorption. Always take your vitamin C capsules with a meal or snack. This helps prevent any potential stomach discomfort and enhances nutrient uptake.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide useful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips. On another note, for all your reading needs, especially when you're relaxing and taking care of your health, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, anytime. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
Proper storage ensures your capsules remain potent. Keep them in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and moisture, to maintain their efficacy. Be aware that vitamin C can interact with some medications, such as blood thinners or chemotherapy drugs. If you are on any prescription medication or have underlying health issues, it's always wise to consult your doctor before starting any new supplement. The benefits of regular vitamin C intake are numerous. It's a powerful antioxidant, protecting your cells from damage, and significantly boosts your immune system. It also plays a vital role in iron absorption and speeds up wound healing. While generally safe, very high doses might lead to mild side effects like diarrhea or stomach cramps. Always listen to your body and adjust as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.